Class 10 Science, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. MCQs on worksheet number 4. Rancidity in corrosion. Q1. Rancidity occurs because of A. Fermentation. B. Oxidation of proteins. C. Oxidation of fats and oils. D. Decomposition of carbohydrates. Check mark answer. C. Oxidation of fats and oils. Explanation. Rancidity is caused when fats react with oxygen, leading to spoilage. Q2. Which method is used in chips packets to prevent rancidity? A. Freezing. B. Vacuum packing. C. Adding salt. D. Flushing with nitrogen gas. Check mark answer. D. Flushing with nitrogen gas. Explanation. Nitrogen displaces oxygen and slows oxidation. Q3. Which metal is used for galvanizing iron? A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Zinc. D. Chromium. Check mark answer. C. Zinc. Explanation. Zinc forms a protective coating, preventing rusting. Q4. Which of the following is not a method to prevent corrosion? A. Galvanizing. B. Electroplating. C. Keeping in sunlight. D. Painting. Check mark answer. C. Keeping in sunlight. Explanation. Sunlight does not prevent corrosion. It may speed up oxidation. Q5. What happens when silver gets tarnished? A. Forms silver oxide. B. Forms silver carbonate. C. Forms silver sulfide. D. Forms silver chloride. Check mark answer. C. Forms silver sulfide. Explanation. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air to form black gas. Q6. Which of the following is a disadvantage of corrosion? A. Increases weight of metal. B. Makes metal shiny. C. Weakens metal structure. D. Prevents oxidation. Check mark answer. C. Weakens metal structure. Explanation. Corrosion degrades metal strength and structure. Q7. Which substance is added to food as an antioxidant? A. Sodium chloride. B. Acetic acid. C. HA. D. Hydrochloric acid. Check mark answer. C. HA. Explanation. HA, butylated hydroxyanisole, prevents oxidation. Q8. Corrosion of iron is A. Endothermic reaction. B. Physical change. C. Chemical change. D. Neutralization reaction. Check mark answer. C. Chemical change. Explanation. A new substance, rust, is formed, indicating a chemical change. Q9. Which of these does not undergo corrosion? A. Iron. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Silver. Check mark answer. B. Gold. Explanation. Gold is a noble metal. It does not react easily with air or water. Q10. Green coating on copper is A. Copper nitrate. B. Copper oxide. C. Copper carbonate. D. Copper sulfate. Check mark answer. C. Copper carbonate. Explanation. Copper reacts with CO and moisture to form green copper carbonate.